What's up? This is Brett here, and today I was just going to show you guys our morning routine. It's very dynamic, it's always changing, and currently we are making supercharged coffee that is a nootropic and has lots of different supplements that will help with brain function, as well as antioxidants and a whole host of other benefits as well. So, come on, let's get into it. Half a teaspoon of Matcha powder, which is high in antioxidants. It can boost the brain, may prevent cancer, and help you lose weight. And next we have 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, which can help with nitric oxide levels and depression and cancer prevention. Half a teaspoon of lion's mane powder, which can help with dementia, depression and anxiety, nervous system injuries, helps fight cancer, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Up next, we have 200 milligrams of L-Theanine, which helps with better mental focus, improve sleep, relaxation, increase cognitive performance, weight loss, boosting the immune system, reducing blood pressure. Up next, we have 600 milligrams of Alpha-GPC, which can help boost the memory and cognitive function, improve blood flow to the brain, improve thinking skills and learning abilities, and help with the mind-body muscle connection. And once we're done with all the powders, now we can sweeten it. You can use a sweetener of your choice. Here, I am using liquid stevia extract. And once you're done with all the mixtures, go ahead and grab your coffee and pour it into your cup. Okay, so now once you poured your coffee in, grab your hand mixer and make sure you mix it thoroughly. And then we're gonna add a little bit of fat. We're gonna take a frozen ice cube of cashew milk and add a straw. There you have it, guys. This is a supercharged morning coffee, brain boosting, full of antioxidants. And yeah, man, give it a shot. We're changing it all the time. So see you guys later.